Electronic components. Today we are going to talk about electronic components. This is important because every electronic device has many small components inside. Each component has a special job in the circuit. A resistor limits the flow of current in a circuit. You know resistors from Ohm's law. We measure resistance in ohms. A capacitor stores a small amount of electricity and releases it later. A capacitor is like a small battery that charges and discharges very fast. Radios, computers, and phones use many capacitors. A diode lets the current flow in only one direction. A diode is like a door that opens only one way. An LED is a special diode that produces light. LED means light-emitting diode. We can see LEDs in screens, lamps, and traffic lights. A transistor is a small component that works like a switch. A transistor can turn a signal on and off, or make it stronger. Modern computers have millions of tiny transistors inside. A breadboard is a plastic board with many small holes. The holes are connected inside, so the current can travel between the components. We use a breadboard to build and test circuits fast, without solder. Students and engineers use breadboards to try new ideas. Every electronic project needs the correct tools. We use a multimeter to measure voltage, current, and resistance. We use a soldering iron to join the components with hot metal, called solder. Be careful, the soldering iron is very hot. We use a wire stripper to remove the plastic cover from a wire. We use pliers to bend the legs of the components. Now you know the basic electronic components and their tools. Remember, each component has a special job, and the correct tool makes the work safe and easy. In our next class, we will build a simple circuit on a breadboard.